Alright guys, today we've got the Taurus G3C, and we ordered a set of fiber optic sights off Taurus USA. These right now run about 14 and some change. I believe they're $14.95 for a set of these. The G3C sights also fit the GX4, so if you're wondering about that, this is the exact same sights for that. It'll come with your three different rods here. You got fluorescent green, orange, and red. A new sight. And a new sight screw. With it already, I don't know if you guys can really see this, but it already has the Loctite on it. Right there. Alright, some tools you're going to need. Now, you don't have to have this exact stuff here, but some tools you're going to need. I would have a set of needle nose pliers, because getting the front sight straight can be a real pain with these. Something to cut your rods with. You have to heat your rods up. You have to do it very quickly. Just when it first starts to melt, that'll lock it in place. We've already done that on this sight. So we will show you how to do that when we do the GX4. And then you'll need one of these two drivers here. I've found I think the G3, the full-size G3, I believe needs this here. This is a 2.5 millimeter. And on the GX4 and the G3C, you're going to need a 2.0. So a 2 millimeter hex driver. Right there. Alright guys, first thing we want to do is make sure the gun is unloaded. There you go. Drop the mag. And then you want to disassemble the firearm. Pull this back, drop this, pull the trigger, and there we go. Alright, now to get to the front sight here, you're going to have to remove the guide rod spring and the barrel. Alright guys, the front sight screw is right down there. Now the easiest way to do this is with a Glock front sight tool, especially with the GX or the G3, because it actually has a little bit of a shroud here on the front with a hole that your driver goes down through. Well, but you can use the driver I'm using for this without, if you don't have the Glock sight tool. That's not a good sound. That's the I'm gonna strip out on you sound. Ah. Alright guys, well that didn't go quite as planned, but we did get the sight off right here, and of course the screw's still down in there, so we'll have to get that out at some other time. Good thing they give us a different screw. That I lost the other screw. Oh, no, found it. Okay, good. All right. So all right. So the new screw that you get is, oh, that's really bright. It's Phillips. One of them that's not so bright would be awesome. But yeah, the new screw is a Phillips. You don't look at that because I found with the other sight that it can get a little cocked on here, so to this side or this side. So you want to pay attention to that. Like if you, I don't know if you can tell right there, but it is a little bit off there. So we'll straighten that up. Be mindful of your finish, as you know, Taurus's finish is definitely not the best. And you can scratch it fairly easily. Let's see. And there's a new fiber optic sight. See how that, hopefully that brightens up. You really can't tell anything at all with this video. I gotta apologize to you guys for that. It's not the best. But if you use the liquid Loctite on here, you are supposed to let this sit for 24 hours before you fire it. With this already having it on there, I really don't feel 100% confident in it, but we're going to test it, not right now, but we'll come back and test it out to see if the sight stays on there. Hopefully it does. Like I said, I would definitely would have liked to see a little bit of fresh liquid Loctite on there instead of what was already there, but we'll see how it works. And like I said, let's get this put back together. Seems to be good. Well, we'll get this out the range, guys. I don't know. Let's see if you can see how bright it is. Like I said, this video's for shit, but it looks like it's a little bit better than that white dot was. Yeah, I'm going to say I'm going to like that a lot better. Like I said, it's one of the cheaper upgrades you can do for these. For the front sight with the rods and everything comes with it, it's $15. So I think you'll like it a little bit better than the white. Well, if you like these. Okay, but we're gonna put this same setup on the GX4, try it out. But I'm eventually gonna go with the tritium on the GX4. I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna do it on this one yet or not. But like I said, it's a cheap upgrade. $15 fiber optic sight. There it is. I think I'm Taurus USA. But yeah, give it a look, guys. I'll put a link in the description. And yeah, I'll take a look. We'll get it out on the range and see if it holds up. Especially with that being the Loctite already on their threads. So we're going to see if it holds up. If it doesn't, then I would definitely say to put some fresh Loctite on there before you do it. And we appreciate it, guys. Until next time.